How to use the PayPal application or the website to request money from someone using the PayPal application or the software or the payment platform here on your PC or on your mobile phone. For this, I'm going to tell you some of the basic steps to do this thing, and you can follow this step and simply send a request to the sender which you want to request money. Now, the first step will be simply you can send a money request to anyone with an email address. Simply log into a PayPal account and then click on send and request option near the top of the page on the home page of your PayPal application. Click the request tab at the top from the screen, enter a name, email address or mobile number and click on next. Then enter the amount and select the currency you want to transfer or to request money. Select the request type, enter a note that is optional. You want to enter, you can simply, and then review your request. Then click on request now from there. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it, and please subscribe to channel for watching amazing updates like that.